In this video, I'll show you how to format a USB flash drive on Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now, open File Explorer. On the left side, click This PC. Under Devices and Drives, you will see all the storage devices connected to your computer. Find your USB flash drive. Right-click on it. From the menu, click Format. The Format window will open. Leave the capacity setting as it is. Next, click the File System drop-down menu. Select exFAT if you want a file system that works with most modern devices. Leave the allocation unit size set to the default value. If you want, change the volume label to give your USB flash drive a new name. Make sure Quick Format is checked if you want the formatting process to finish faster. Now click the Start button. A warning message will appear saying that all data on the USB flash drive will be erased. If you have already backed up your files, click OK to continue. Wait for Windows to finish formatting the drive. You can now open the USB flash drive in File Explorer. It will be empty and ready to use. That's it. This is how you can format a USB flash drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.